I only want to welcome all of you, all the CAs that are here present. Play hard and enjoy hard.
Now, officially open the sports season and competitions for the Inter-CA, the Uganda Wildlife Authority, and I say this for God and my country and conserving populations.
Maxwell, give it for now. You're going to be here. Maxwell for Bukuni. Bukuni gives to Adena. Adena just want to send the
participate. Detail! With a magazine of 3 rounds. Lying position. Run! Run!
This is where we do the selection for our team as Uganda Wildlife Authority. These are the competitions we use to prepare and select our teams for the Interforce Games. Teams have a lot of talent in them, and I think it is a benefit for the organization. This time in the Interforces, let the other forces know it that this time Ua is coming.
This 6th edition of the Inter-CA Games is featuring the disciplines of range, football, netball, volleyball, darts, and we have taken tug of war to another level. When we are playing, there are those few minutes of artificial rivalry, and that is unavoidable. Those minutes are always there. Sometimes people want to be each other's callers, but the game being a force where we have discipline, we restrain ourselves.
Keeper.
Yes. We have won this because of teamwork, being together. Hard work minus laziness plus commitment equals success, and this is what we have achieved today.
Best, number one and nothing less. Lead me to my destiny. I have waited patiently. I have vision.